Graders, welcome to DecimalOps 2.3 Connecting Operations, Fact Families. So we have talked about addition and subtraction of decimals. So today it says for whole numbers and fractions, addition and subtraction facts are related. For example, the numbers 4, 8, and 12 are related by 4 equations using addition and subtraction. So this is something that we worked on previously when we were creating our fact families. So remember, 4 plus 8 gives us 12. The related sentences, because remember there's going to be a total of 4, so the other 3, you can go 8 plus 4 equals 12, 12 take away 8 equals 4, and 12 take away 4 equals 8. So with that, you will need your notebook to record some of your answers in. So it says use what you know about decimals to see whether fact family ideas apply to operations with decimals. Use a calculator if necessary. So we're going to skip using this calculator part. You are just going to use the calculator that's inside your brain. So you're going to start here with part A, and it talks about writing fact families for number 1 and number 2. Part B, it says, are the addition and subtraction relationships you see in whole number fact families also true for addition and subtraction of decimals? Explain your reasoning. So we definitely know we can make fact families for addition and subtraction. Whole numbers, they're asking, can you do the same thing for decimals? And then part C here says fact family reasoning often helps when solving equations. Use the number line below to write 2 sentences relating 200ths and 123 thousandths, and then x. It says then find the value of x. So you're going to come up with 2 sentences that you could use to relate these 2 numbers. So go ahead, pause the video, and complete parts A, B, and C in your notebook. Keep in mind you can label the top of your notebook DO for decimal ops, and this is lesson 2.3. So go ahead and pause it. All right, welcome back, part D here. So still focusing on fact families. It says use fact family reasoning to find values of n that make these mathematical sentences true. Then check your answers. So number 1, you have n plus 2.3 is equal to 6.55 or 6 and 55 hundredths. So we have to figure out what the value of n is. So use your reasoning of fact families to figure out what your value of n is. So if you have an addition problem, remember, you're able to change that and make your fact family with a subtraction problem. So you would change it, oops, sorry here, can't get that to work. You'd have 6 and 55 hundredths, and you would take away, and I gotta make sure I line up my decimals, 2.3. This empty spot, remember, gets filled in. So if I were to subtract that, that would be able to give me my value for n. So you're going to work through 1 through 3. So go ahead and pause the video and complete part D. All right, part E. It says suppose you have a $5 bill to buy fruit as shown in the photo below. So you can see your photo here and you can see how much each piece of fruit costs, or the total for the group. You decide to buy 3 apples, 4 pears, and some bananas. So you're going to work your way through 1 through 3 here. It says how many bananas can you buy without going over your total of $5? So right here is your bananas. They're 23 cents a piece, so every banana is 23 cents. You only have $5. You need to figure out how many bananas can you have. Number 2 says after purchasing your fruit, how much change will you get back from your $5 bill? Number 3 says write a sentence to show your thinking for part 2. Did you use fact families in answering the question? Then you're going to explain. So go ahead, pause the video, and complete part E. All right, good work. You have successfully completed DecimalOps 2.3. ACE problems are listed below. If you also don't finish the lesson today, please make sure you complete lesson 2.3 for Monday. I will be checking it along with your ACE problems. Good luck.